When I first walked around the Navi, the lack of a traditional engine in the center of the frame was the first thing that caught my eye. Honda used a sturdy steel frame, but because the entire drivetrain is integrated into the rear swing arm like a scooter, they left a massive hole where the engine usually sits. I found this space occupied by a lockable 15-liter storage box, which is a brilliant bit of practical engineering. The build quality feels typical of Honda. The plastics are thick and do not rattle, even if the overall aesthetic leans toward budget-friendly. The weight distribution is definitely rear-heavy because that is where the engine and transmission live. I notice this most when hopping over speed bumps or trying to loft the front wheel over a curb. The front end is incredibly light, while the rear feels planted. With a curb weight of only 234 pounds and a tiny 50.6-inch wheelbase, the chassis geometry is all about agility. I could flick this bike into a U-turn on a narrow sidewalk with room to spare.